What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video. I guess you can call it an early Christmas video. So I have here a box that says Compressive Tuning, and as you see here, I have the Airblades/Heat Extractors. So these are mostly like a dress-up piece for the engine bay. As you can see, I have the red strut bar. So I'm gonna start getting like red dress-up pieces for the engine bay. But these do have a function. They are heat extractors, so these air blades actually go where the OEM little like felt fender shrouds are. So with these, this is actually going to help extract heat out of the engine bay and pull it into the wheel well. So yeah, I mean, they do serve a function, but that's not my main reason for buying these. Kind of just bought these because A, they were on sale because of all the Black Friday deals that were going on, and I just kind of want to start getting some dress-up pieces for the engine bay since it looks so bland and boring. These are actually going to be way more useful if you modify the little vent here in the fender, because right now this is like a fake vent. It's kind of dark, so you can't really see it, but you have a vent here, but it's blocked off, so it doesn't actually do anything. If you actually were to cut this open and make it into a real vent, then those fender shrouds become more useful, because as it extracts heat from the engine bay, pulls it into the wheel well, and it'll be able to come out of this vent. But like I said, my main reason is not for functionality, it's just because, you know, I want to dress up the engine bay a little bit. So let me take these out, show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I just pulled them out into my driveway since the lighting's better, but here is what they look like. As you can see, these are really aggressive and I love the way they look. These are definitely on the pricier side, but I think these look the best out of all the fender shrouds that you can buy, or like air blades, I guess, that you can buy on the market. I know Perrin makes them that look pretty good. They're actually a lot cheaper, but I just love the design of these. I love these like fins that it has here, and I love this like mesh like material like looking thing. So like, I don't know, I love the way these look, and these are super easy to install. So I'll show you guys. It's just, there's a pop clip that holds it in here on this side and right here on the top. So basically you just remove the two pop clips on the OEM shroud. So one pop clip here, one pop clip here. Pull those out. You can pull the old shroud off, put the new ones in, put the pop clips back in, and you're done. It's super easy. So I have a little pop clip remover tool here, so I'm just going to pop off the pop clips. And you just pop them off from the middle. So you see, like in the middle, you just pop it out from the middle and then it'll just pop right out. And now you just lift it out of place. Alright, and now to put the new one in. So you want to rotate it upside down, stick it in there first, and then once it's in there, rotate it. Be gentle with the scratch anything, and just, you know, make sure everything aligns properly. And then yeah, now we just put the pop clips in, and we're all set. And then let's just do the same on the other side. Since I have the air box here, I'm actually just gonna remove the lid. That way it's a little bit easier to remove this fender shroud. So now I have the lid removed, so now I can remove the shroud. And the way you want to do it is you kind of want to rotate it. Pull it out. And then you get the new shroud, and you do the opposite. place and rotate it until it fits. And then, like before, put the pop clips and you're done. And there we go. Now it's installed. These are a brighter red than the strut bar, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. I don't know if I can really do anything to make this red match that one, besides getting it repainted, which is a little bit excessive. But I do like the way it looks. You know, it makes the engine bay pop a little bit more. There is a little bit too much red though on the sides, but I also have a Fender Shroud for the radiator here. That one's also useful because it will actually help guide air easily into the snorkel. So once I have that one on, then this will all look a little bit better. For right now, it kind of looks a little funky, but I love the way these things look. They look so sick. I love the aggressive fins, and it is way better than the original ones. So yeah, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more stuff like this. I have plenty of more parts I need to install. But yeah, thanks for watching.